Okay guys, so I have recently become obsessed with face oils, and I'm not talking like those really expensive, beautiful, luxurious oils. I'm talking super easy DIY, make it yourself for a fraction of the price face oils. So I've been experimenting with a few facial oils in my team, and I had an idea of why don't we create our own? Most facial oils actually cost between $40 to $80. I'm gonna teach you how to make your favorite oil for less than $10. So all of these oils I purchased off Amazon. They came to me super easy, were super inexpensive. They're all 100% organic and pure, cold pressed, and super natural. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly how to create 3 of my favorite facial oils that are really wonderful for different skin types. This face oil will hydrate and control oil production and also help prevent breakouts. We're gonna start with grapeseed oil because it's hydrating and super rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is awesome for brightening skin complexion and making your skin look more even and beautiful. We're also gonna add some jojoba oil, and it helps control oil production. It also is great for anti-aging and super rich in antioxidants. Eucalyptus oil is super awesome because it's an anti-inflammatory and it also helps reduce pimples. Mix all 3 ingredients together in a glass bottle and apply at night after you moisturize your face. This DIY face oil is great for dry skin. It helps soothe skin and hydrate, as well as give you a beautiful glow. Our 3 main ingredients in this DIY are camellia seed oil that helps balance out the moisture levels in your skin. It's also packed with vitamins and nourishing omegas that feed the skin. Sea buckthorn berry oil. It's rich in vitamin E, which helps reduce scarring, softening, and strengthening skin thanks to its rich omega complex. It has an omega-7 that is super rare and is a fatty acid that is so great for nourishing and healing the skin. Rose oil is always a favorite. It's super rich in vitamin C, which helps brighten your skin. It's also an anti-inflammatory, which is great for calming redness. It also contains an antiseptic that helps treat acne. Always remember to mix all your oils in a glass bottle. Always make sure that you guys keep this oil out of sunlight in a fresh, dry place and apply as needed. This last DIY face oil is for normal and combination skin. It's gonna combat shine and also give your skin a beautiful glow while still soothing the skin and adding hydration. We're gonna go back to that favorite grapeseed oil, which is so great for your skin. What I love about this is it's super lightweight, so it's so great for so many different types of skins. Lavender oil is such an awesome essential oil. It's so great for breakouts and people who have acne-prone skin. Geranium oil is so great. We're gonna use this because this is gonna help with wrinkles. It's also gonna promote skin renewal, which is gonna make your texture super smooth and beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's super easy to make any of your favorite oils. You can actually go to most of your favorite labels for your favorite oils, check out what they have on them, and you can literally create any oil you want. We're gonna put more information on the blog that basically tells you all the rules of making your favorite face oil, so make sure you guys click on the link down below to get all those details. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!